smiling because I am standing with a blessed personality, you know. Everybody is holy. But when you got one name, why you should buy home, father, and when father, father came matrimonial father. Then no father, then Reverend sister. This is my sister, Reverend Sister Zita. All the way from my mother's place. Now, one name my mom, Coco. I ran into her this morning. She flew in from Rome for this very event. I know that I very a number, no? Am I right? Yes. IBM member, no? So, on behalf of the Reverend Father Jude Mwigwe, Tochiku Mwigwe, the CEO of Tochi Mwigwe's Foundation, we are here to sympathize. How English out of William? To sympathize. And when I sympathize, yeah, we can get it. When sympathize, oh my God! Sister Sakramia, sympathize. So we are here to sympathize with the family that lost their brother. And God give them the fortitude to bear the loss. Sister, welcome to Nigeria. All of us, actually, we live in Rome together. The two both of us are romantics.